All right, we have a simple math problem for you today. It's 5 plus 3 squared, or 3 to the second power, times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. And what does that equal? This is a good test of your knowledge of the order of operations convention. If you want to, you can pause the video at this point. We'll come back and we'll work this one out together. Not too difficult, but we will work it out together if you're not sure. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going to do this one. All right, hopefully you do remember your order of operations convention. It's known by a few acronyms. Not everybody learned this according to acronyms. There's acronyms like PEMDAS, BODMAS, BEDMAS, BIDMAS. These are some acronyms used in English-speaking countries, and basically PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. BODMAS would be brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. These are just memorization tools. And frankly, I find people really get confused a lot of times about these. They actually think that there's differences between them, but there's not. All of these acronyms give you the same answer. Um, I know some of them have the M before the D or the D before the M. It makes no difference because multiplication and division have equal precedence. And the same is true with addition and subtraction. We're going to look at an example just with PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay. Note that there's only 4 steps. There's really not 6. Multiplication and division have equal precedence. You just really solve them left to right as you encounter them. Division is just multiplying by a reciprocal, so there's really no difference there. And the same with addition and subtraction. Subtraction is just adding a negative number. So there's no, I mean, I've had people argue, well, it wouldn't be written A before S, and then they try to somehow force addition before subtraction, simply because they memorized the order of 6 letters, and that really makes no sense. If you believe that, you really need to look up what the acronyms mean. Okay, so in this problem, we don't have any parentheses, and this is another place where a lot of people really get off the rails with the order of operations. Some people will say, well, if there's no parentheses, you just solve left to right and you ignore everything. Well, that's not true, but the parentheses are just one step of the order of operations. The parentheses, they're just nothing more than grouping symbols, and they tell us to prioritize things that are inside of those parentheses. And if you don't have the parentheses, it doesn't matter. You move on to the next step. All right. Well, in this case, the next step is exponents. And if you're familiar with BODMAS, you'd refer to that as orders. The orders step with BIDMAS, that would be indices. Okay, so it's the same thing, really. In this case, we do have exponents. We have 3 to the second power, or 3 squared, as it's also called, 3, which is the same thing as 3 times 3, and that is equal to 9. All right, do we have any multiplication and division in the problem? Yes, we do. We do have multiplication and division. And again, remember, they solved that left to right. Addition and subtraction, we've got that also. So we've got a little bit of everything in here except for parentheses. So when we look at this problem, the first thing we want to do is we want to solve the exponents part of it. Well, as we said before, 3 to the second power is nothing more than 9. So we're left with 5 plus 9 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. And again, this is where people, in this problem, it's not too difficult because you do have the multiplication here and the division here. It's really hard to mess this one up. But again, you just go across here and you see you have a 9 times 2, that's 18. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Keep in mind you've got a minus sign here, so it's actually going to become 5 plus 18 minus 2, because it's minus 4 divided by 2. It's not subtract 4 and then divide by 2. No, you're subtracting the 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So you're left with 5 plus 18 minus 2. Now the rest of this is pretty simple at that point. 5 plus 18 is 23. 23 minus 2 is 21. So your final answer here would be 21. So if you got any questions on this, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will be back to help you guys on the next problem. Take care.